I have just watered the plant this afternoon, and just and then I wasn't aware that the lime is having its blossoms, first blossom. Forget that. And there at the top, and here also, which is inside the shade. It's not exposed on the sunlight. I think there's no blossoms here, but only here and just here at these parts and the window inside the room. So it's possible to have blossom also, even it's not really exposed on the sunlight. Naignay dyan ko ba? Nice kaayo. This one is withering. Maybe this is already 2 days because it is 3 blossoms. This one is really necessary. Because it's my first bloom, so that's why I'm so and it's like overwhelmed.